Conversion of percentages to decimal. In order to convert from percentage to decimal, we have to combine our knowledge of converting from percentage to fractions and then our knowledge of converting from fractions to decimal to make this full knowledge. Now, in this example, we are to convert 25% to decimal form. This is how it's done. Solution. The first thing we do here is to bring 25% into a fraction. And in order to do that, we write 25 over 100. So anything you have in percent, just divide it straight by 100. Or you just simply write 25 times 1 over 100. That is, either I do it this way, or I say 25 multiplied by 1 over 100. Either of this way brings it to a fraction. Because if you multiply here, 25 times 1 will give you 25. And this is like saying over 1. So 1 times 100 also gives us 100 in this case. Now that we have it as a fraction here, we bring it to its least form, that is the smallest form of this fraction. Now let's work with that. We have 25 over 100. Now we divide the numerator and the denominator by the highest common factor. In this case, we have 5. Now, when we work with this, 25 divided by 5 will give us 5. And then 100 divided by 5 will give us 20. Now, we can still divide this further. We have 5 over 20. We can still divide by 5. And this will give us 1 over 4. Now that we have it as a fraction, we now convert from fraction to decimal. We are dividing the number 1 by 4. And 4 in 1 will give you 0. Now when you apply 0 times 4, you get 0. Let's subtract, we have 1. Now we put the decimal point, which will then give us a 0 here. Now 4 in 10, that is 2. 2 multiplied by 4 will give us 8. And when you subtract, you have 2. Add another 0 here. Now 4 in 20, that will give you 5. And then 5 times 4 will give us 20. When you subtract, you see there's no other number left. So therefore, we can now say that 25% equals our answer here, 0.25. By following these steps, you too can convert from percentages to decimals. Thank you.